Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be demoing and reviewing the About Face bronzer in the shade Eternal Sunset. So this is the bronzer right here. The description box will say whether it's a bronzer and a contour stick. I'm pretty sure it's just a bronzer, but just in case it's not, check the description box for more information. Alright, so before we get into it, thank you so much for clicking on my video and coming to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Right now we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I need your help. Please, please, please subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me that you clicked on my video. If you could just click that subscribe button, it would change the game. We're talking about makeup, skincare, beauty, travel, tech, all kinds of things on this channel, and I don't want you to miss out on any of my videos. So please subscribe, like this video if you like the video, and hit the notification bell to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. So one thing I like about this is that it's a bronzer. It's called Beach Freak, the Beach Freak bronzer. So that's on the side. So I'm going to assume that that means it's not a contour. So About Face, this is $20, I think. And it is, one thing I like about it is that it's not a magnetic closure. It's a screw. So you always know you closed it right and that the air is not going to seep in and dry it out. So this is the shade Eternal Sunset. I think it's like the second or third darkest shade. So it's like a neutrally chocolatey brown, and normally I apply it like how people apply contour, and I just blend up instead of, well, I blend down and up and like all over, but just to give some warmth to my face. So as you can see, I already have my natural little contour line here, so I normally just come here with it up there, and then I'll do some down here. And then I will blend it out with my small contour brush from Sigma Beauty, which is the, I'll give you guys the number right now. Oh, I won't give you the number. Yes, I will. F35 small contour. So it looks like this. And we're going to blend, blend, blend. I'm going to bring it up into the hairline up on the side. And then I'm going to start to bring it up on the cheek. Also there, and I just love to use this to like bring color to my face. So if I'm looking a little pale, which is definitely about to get even worse the way summer's coming to an end, but boom, that's the blend on the top. I'm gonna come for the bottom now, go down. I might have to grab a mirror just to make sure that blend is good, but I feel like it is. Boom. So as you can see, Bronze Beautiful Goddess needs some sun. Bronze Beautiful Goddess needs some sun. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side of my face and come back. Alright, so I am back and I am blended on both sides. You can see that pop of bronzy goodness. It looks like I just came back from being in the sun on the beach, right? So that is why we all love bronzer. What do I like about this? One, very blendable, easy, smooth, did not cause any allergic reactions, no acne, nothing on my skin that looks crazy. My skin looks lifelike. It has a satin finish, I feel like, so you get a little bit of that natural kind of glow, but it's not all the way matte. Like, it's not dewy, but it's not matte either. It's right at that perfect point that kind of goes with either or, no matter what kind of way you want to have your look. So if it's a super dewy look, I think it'll work. If it's a matte look, you might just want to set your full face with powder or setting spray. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. It blends out really beautiful. It's really pretty and I absolutely love it. So in terms of from Ulta, I'm more and more shopping at Ulta now because I always buy drugstore makeup from Ulta and I was just getting my prestige from Sephora. But now I'm at the point where I'm like, what brands are at Ulta that I need to try more, I need to explore it more? And About Face, I love their foundation. So I was thinking to myself, I was like, okay, I tried the eyeliner pen, that didn't really work out. I was like, try more things from About Face. So when I saw they came out with this bronzer, I definitely wanted to check it out now. One thing I will say is that compared to other stick bronzers like the Makeup by Mario and the LYS, she is a mini. She's a little tiny baby. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, so this is 0.21 ounces. I'm not sure how big the other ones are, but the other stick bronzers just feel like you get more product. In terms of the Mario and the LYS, those are my two favorites, so I always compare any stick bronzer to those. And I don't think, like, this is good, but I don't think it would replace LYS for me. Or it might replace Mario maybe, but I definitely don't think it will replace LYS. Is still the best stick bronzer for me in my liking. But I like this one too. And honestly, it's good to have multiple faves of different product options, because something happens, the airline loses your makeup kit and you gotta repurchase it. One, you might not want to go to get all prestige from Sephora. You might want to go to Ulta so you get a high and a low. And Makeup by Mario and LYS aren't in Ulta, so it's just like, what brand am I gonna pick? Like the drugstore powder, those buttermilk bronzers from NYX, they're blushes, they look crazy. So what am I gonna get? So now I have a fave that I can use, and I'm gonna keep enjoying this. And definitely I would get it again. I love that it has a little twist me instruction on here, so just in case you think you're gonna open it like that, you're like, oh, twist it, you'll realize how to open it. Very user-friendly packaging. If this is your first foray into stick bronzers and you're not really sure, I would say this is a great product to start with, and because it's just so easy to use and it looks so gorgeous on the skin, like so beautiful. I really love it. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite products I've tried, definitely of the summer. I feel like a lot of brands just haven't been giving me things to be excited about, and I'm happy About Face did. So I'm a little sad because I feel like they got lost in the sauce of summer announcements, but I hope that they go re-viral again at some point, so people realize that they have a bronzer and that it's a really good stick bronzer. So again, this is the About Face Beach Freak bronzer. I have the shade Eternal Sunset. I don't know why I keep saying Eternal Sunset is the shade that I have. And I will put some comparisons to the other shades of bronzers I used in the description box, just in case you want to see where I fall on the spectrum of the other bronzers. Okay, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.